Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to automatically block spam calls on Android. So guys, this is actually pretty simple. You just need to find your phone app, basically the app that you use to dial people, to call people, also to view and create your contacts. It's all within one app. Then guys, once you're here, you will of course see the history of your calls, and on the top left you will have this little menu. Click on it and go to settings. After that, in here, guys, you're looking for entering the very first section from the top, which is caller ID and spam. Go here, and this is pretty much how this is done. As you can see, we can firstly, of course, identify the spam numbers. Basically, when you're being called, you'll have this little like kind of icon that will show you that it's a either possible or just a spam caller, and the number will be flagged pretty much as a spam or scam. And after that, if you want to completely remove the ability of those spam callers to even call you in the first place, you can enable this second button, which is filter spam calls. As you can see, it will make sure to prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. So when they try to call you, their call will be just completely denied and blocked. They will probably hear something like this person is not available or something, and of course they won't be able to call you. So pretty much this is our only button that you should enable, and of course the one on top, of course, to identify the spam as well, to see for yourself if it's a spam or just a usual number. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Enjoy safe calling experience, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.